सबका फिर से स्वागत है। मैं हूं विकास टांगिया। भारतीय मूल के लोगों की प्रसिद्ध संस्थाओं में से एक ग्लोबल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ पीपल ऑफ इंडियन ओरिजिन गोपियों का शिकागो चैप्टर शनिवार 18 अप्रैल को एनुअल इंडियन अमेरिकन अचीवर्स गेला आयोजित करेगा। इस समारोह में विख्यात प्रवासी भारतीयों को अलग अलग श्रेणियों के लिए सम्मानित किया जाएगा। बीते सप्ताह होस्ट कमेटी मेंबर्स ने प्रिपरेशंस एंड प्लानिंग मीट का आयोजन किया। गोपियों शिकागो चैप्टर मिडवेस्ट में भारतीय मूल के लोगों को एक सूत्र में बांधने में सक्रिय और अहम भूमिका निभा रही है। समुदाय की आवाज बन राष्ट्रीय और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर गोपियों इंटरनेशनल ने विभिन्न मुद्दों पर समाज को जागरूक किया है। ओक ब्रुक मैरियट में आयोजित होने वाले डिनर गीला को लेकर सभी सदस्य उत्साहित हैं। गोपियों शिकागो चैप्टर प्रेसिडेंट ग्लैडसन वर्गीस ने अधिक जानकारी दी।
Gopio Chicago chapter we started back in November of 2014. Very new chapter. As you know, Gopio have chapters throughout the world, around 20 countries. But this is, Chicago have around 350 Indians live here, so this is going to be one of the prominent chapters of Gopio, and we are hosting the very first event, and it going to be the best event also. It's going to be on Saturday, April 18th, on Oak Brook Marriott Hotel at 6 p.m. The event starts actually at 5:30 p.m. 5:30 to 6 it's meet and greet. Then 6 to 7 it's a business conference and networking. 7 to 8 p.m. it's public meeting and award ceremony. 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. annual dinner and annual and entertainment. So that's the plan. I have a great team of people with me. Everybody working on some fashion or other. So there's a lot of top business leaders are attending this event for the business conference.
So our focus for this organization, for this chapter, is going to be, working on the bylaws of the umbrella of the main organization. We have this gala event to basically have the networking of the business folks, that we can, all the Indian business people and the foreign people, how they can advantage of doing business in India and Indian people doing business in America. So that's one focus. The other focus is going to be on the human rights. We would try to bridge the gap between Consulate General of India, their office, and our Indian community. If they have any issues, how we can bridge that gap, how we can bring up those issues. A lot of time Consulate General doesn't know what's going on in the Indian community. A lot of Indian members don't know how to reach out to the Consulate General. So we will try to bridge that gap and help resolve those issues. As far as this event is concerned, we are, like Gladson said, our president, that we're going to have a great event, definitely. We're going to make it attractive with the entertainment program.
गोपियों शिकागो चैप्टर इंडियन अमेरिकन अचीवर्स अवार्ड्स गीला में मेडिसिन, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप, कम्युनिटी लीडरशिप जैसे विभिन्न पहलुओं के लिए कुछ को सम्मानित भी करेगा।
What I'm really excited about this event's coming up is small business networking event. What I hear more and more, as my job is a small business banker, what I hear from small businesses is more of a networking event, lacking of that in the community currently, and what they want to do business with the people that they know. And this will be a great event to bring everybody on board and people to network with each other and produce more business. And that's what I'm